Hello everyone. So today's topic is write a C program to print the alphabets from A to Z. That is small a to Z actually. That's why I've used that small a and small z actually. And we are using for loop for this program. Okay. So first of all, two header files, that is nothing but hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. So for this program we are using these two header files. After that, void main function, open the bracket. So as we are printing the alphabets from small a to small z, still we will require one variable. Okay. So we are using character as a name of the variable, and data type for this variable is also char, and the full form for char is what? Character only. Okay. So it is not integer data type or float data type, but in this program the data type is what? Character. That's why the short form is what? Char. Because when we write integer, okay, so we are not writing full spelling of integer, we are writing int. Okay, so that is nothing but the symbol. Okay, so now here printf statement, that is nothing but what? Alphabets from a to z are. So this line is nothing but just for printing purpose, that it will print this line as it is on your output screen. Okay, so now the main logical part of this program is nothing but the for loop, this one. Okay, so for bracket open and variable name which is character equal to. Okay, so as we have to print character, not the numbers, so here we have to define our character with single quotation. That's why here you all can see it is a but with the single quotation mark. And also while checking the condition, like here character less than equal to, okay, small z, but again it is what? Single quotation. And after that character plus plus means it will increment the character value by what? 1. Okay, so inside the for loop we have printf statement, and we have used %c because as per our program the character variable is of data type char. So for that we are using %c. Okay, and then name of the variable which is nothing but what? Character, and then closing bracket of this for loop. So how it is going to work? So first of all, character equal to a. Okay, so a less than equal to z. So we know that condition is true. A is less than equal to z. So condition is true. So it will go inside of this for loop, and inside the for loop we have printf statement, and it will print this a first. Then closing bracket indicates you have to come here, character plus plus. So now we have incremented the value of character by 1. So now next character is what? B. Again it will check for condition that b is less than equal to z. So again condition true. So again it will go inside of the for loop. So again printf, and it will print what? B. Likewise c, d, e, f and till z. And then only condition becomes false, and it will come out from for loop. So here after that get ch and closing bracket of void main function. So here we have output also, like alphabets from a to z are. So this line as it is on your output screen, and then all the alphabets a b c d. Here some spaces are there because of this slash t, that is the tab. Okay, so a, then some space, then b, then some space, and likewise till z. Okay, so that is the output. Okay, thank you all.